Hola amigos, in this video I will be doing the unboxing and review of this Realme Buds Q TWS earphones, and these are the best in this price range. With that said, what's up guys, Nerdy here, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, let's get started with the unboxing. And here I have the Realme Buds Q TWS. This is the box itself, nothing much. There's the Realme branding on both the sides, and here are some descriptions. 20-hour long battery life, 10mm bass boost driver, that's good. 119 millisecond low latency mode, designed by Josh Levy. 3.6 gram ultra light body, instant connection, Bluetooth 5.0. And guys, they do connect very fast. And here in the box it is given the price 2499, but I got it for 2000 rupees from SS Electronics Silvassa. And let us open the box. And guys, actually I have been using this for a couple of weeks. Let me keep this to the side. And here we have the device itself. The Realme branding on top and nothing much. Here we have the notification LED. I hope you guys can see it. This glows in the red while charging, and when it is completed full charge it glows in green. And here we have the micro USB port for charging. And guys, these do look beautiful. The pebble shape. Nice design by Josh Levy. Now let us open this up. Wow. And these are the buds itself. See the Realme logo on both the left and right, and this is the capacitive touch area. These are the charging ports. And they go here. This is the right one and this is the left one. And guys, if you can see, this is a nice finish, even shape everywhere. This no way looks cheap. It's a very good quality, premium quality, and no shakiness etc. like the Redmi Buds. There is a little bit, but very less. And these are magnetic holding, they don't drop off easily. Very premium finish, very good design by Josh Levy. And guys, this is a TWS. So first look how beautiful it is. Josh Levy has done a great job. And this is the right one and this is the left one. And there is a hint of nice yellow color in the buds. Okay, it goes in the ear like this, and it is good, comfortable fit even for long hours, continuous usage. See, and no tension of falling off. And guys, they have said this is weighing just 3.6 grams, lighter than a A4 size paper. The A4 size paper approximately weighs 4.3 grams. And guys, as you can see, I have set up the Realme Link app, and it is showing the 100% battery. And here on the top side is the left bud earbud actions, bottom side is the right earbud actions, and last left and right. If you simultaneously press both the earbuds for 5 seconds, it will enter the gaming mode. And if you again press the simultaneously 5 seconds, then it will exit the gaming mode. You can actually customize these: play, pause, next track, previous track, voice assistant, etc. Now I have set my left earbud for voice assistant and right for play, pause and call attend, etc. We don't have a negative. Now let's get to what's in the box, the accessories and etc. What do we get? Let's first open the box, and here we have this charging cable. These are normal micro USB. Okay. And what else do we get? This is the manual. Quick get started, guys. Okay. And these are, we get some ear tips extra. Two sets actually, large and the medium ones. And then I have noticed this yellow color design, that is a nice touch. And guys, now the most important question is about the battery life of this phone. They claim about 4 to 6 hours in this runs and in this case it runs 4 to 20 hours. So this can charge in for 6 for an hour. And now for the most important thing, the music quality in this. And guys, I have to tell you, these have some very good stereo separation and good sound signature. And yes, these do boost up the bass a little bit, but that kind of bass we all like, I also like. And the bass, though it is boosted, does not creep into the mid-range. Hence the vocals and the mid-range produced are very good. And even in the high tones, it is very good. And again, the stereo signature in this, for this price range, it is very good, excellent. And guys, that's all for today for this Realme Buds Q unboxing and overview. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon so you can get the notifications faster and don't miss any videos. See you in my next video. Take care, guys. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.